Hello everyone, this is Mr. Hernandez with a new lesson that I know you're gonna love. This week, we'll be traveling to Japan and we'll be recreating a masterpiece by the artist Hokusai. Now I ask you, how can we recreate a really cool masterpiece using lines and shapes that we already know? Well, that's what we're gonna be learning today. For this lesson, you're gonna need paper, blank paper, pencil and eraser. We always start with pencil and eraser. A black marker to outline your pencil work, but if you don't have a black marker, you can always use a black crayon or a black color pencil, and some coloring tools. I use crayons, but you can use markers or color pencils. If you feel that you're falling behind, you can always pause the video, keep drawing, catch up, and press play again to finish your artwork. I hope you have all your materials ready. Let's start. All right, guys, I am ready to start. I have my pencil and eraser, my marker, and my coloring tools. Remember, start with pencil and eraser, then you outline with your marker, and then you use your coloring tools. Because I'm making the video now and I want you to see it better, I'm gonna go straight with marker, okay? So let's put this aside, and let's start, okay? We're gonna start the great wave. We're gonna start creating a big wave, okay? Let's try to find the center of the paper, okay? Kind of like here, and we are going to create a big wave, a big curve, kind of like this, all the way up, all right? Once we do this line that goes up, we're gonna bring it this way, all right? Kind of like the letter C, okay? Gonna go down a little bit and we're gonna come here. We have a big wave, okay? Once we do this, we are going to add a horizontal line here, kind of like a horizon line, and we're gonna add a mountain. It's gonna look kind of like a triangle, mountain, and all the way here, okay? When Hokusai made this print, this was actually Mount Fuji in Japan, okay? I added a little bit of zigzag here, okay? Because the actual print has some zigzags there, okay? So once we have the wave, horizon line, and the mountain, we're gonna create a boat. Very, very simple boat, okay? So down here, under the mountain, we are going to add, it's gonna look something like this. We're gonna have a line here, all right? We're gonna have another line here. Gonna connect them. We're gonna have one more here under another curve. Looks like a banana, but it's a boat. A little funny, but it's a boat. And we're gonna add some lines here. Some lines here. We have a boat, okay, in the water. Once we do that, I'm gonna have a mini wave very close to the boat, Have a mini wave here with a wavy line. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys know that. And once we have that mini wave, we're gonna add some kind of like foam. And this foam is gonna be connected to the wave over here. So this over here is gonna be foam. This over here is gonna be foam. And this over here is gonna be foam, okay? It's gonna be the foam of all the waves. Once we create the foam, we are going to start adding, we're gonna add some curves inside those waves. So we can create curves. We're gonna add these curves. And these curves are gonna help you have some type of movement. You're gonna say, Mr. Hernandez, movement? This is a picture. They don't move. but you can see that movement in the actual artwork. You can add a few lines here, and over here too, we can add some curves. You see how you can see the wave going that way? And the last step that we want to add over here, I'm going to add is a cloud. I'm going to have a cloud over here. The actual print by Hokusai has some clouds. I have a big cloud over here. Maybe you want to add birds. Maybe you want to add a surfer. Maybe you want to add fish. Maybe you want to add people. Or maybe, I don't know, more little boats or other clouds. I'm gonna keep it this way because I want my artwork to look very similar to Hokusai's artwork. Once you finish with your pencil work, you're gonna outline it with marker or a black crayon or a black colored pencil, and then you're gonna add colors. I added different shades of blue. Look how the foam stayed white, and look how I created a pattern with light blue, regular blue, indigo, and navy blue. And look, light blue, regular blue, indigo, and navy blue. I used different blues. The sky, like the original painting, it's like a yellowish orangey color. And I created my boat over here. Okay guys, so I hope you have fun. Add different details. You can change it a little bit, okay? And once you finish it, color it with beautiful colors. Remember, have fun and be creative. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I know I did. I had a great time recreating the Great Wave by Hokusai. Now, it's your time to clean up your area and leave the space the way you found it. Remember, on the assignment page, you're gonna see other examples that you can use on your artwork. Now, as soon as you finish, take a picture of your artwork and upload it to the assignment page using the red button on the top right corner that says Submit Assignment. Please do not send it to my email, my Canvas inbox, or Jupyter Ed. I am so excited to see all the artwork that you're about to create. I miss you all. Mwah. See you next week.